Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And today's doll is this cute little Rune doll. Her name is Rune and she's supposed to be a little witch. She was designed and created by the artist Isabel Anderson. She's wearing actually a little dress I made. This is one of those Blythe dresses and it fits her pretty well. It's a little bit loose. Their bodies are 1/6 scale and they are similar to Blythe, but they're a little bit hippier and a little bit smaller up at the top. And she's also wearing some cute shoes that Marna over at Dolls Rescued made for her using her 3D printer. There are two of these types of dolls, two of these Rune dolls. The website you'll find this doll and the other Rune doll is called Little Witch Doll. And I'll try to put the URL down below. I will also have a URL for the original unboxing I did of this doll a while back. But yeah, so she's really cute. And these two dolls are very similar in that they are the same size. They have the same body, and the same face. Very cute face. They give me the little cherry baby vibes. Okay. But anyway, the face is the same, the bod's the same. The difference is their hair. This is the doll that's supposed to be the grunge doll, and she has her hair pulled back in a braid, and it's a side part, right? And they're rooted, by the way. The hair's rooted. The hair colors are the same, just the style's different. And then their outfits that they come in are different. She comes originally in a grunge outfit, and I will try to put a picture of her in that outfit maybe somewhere around here when I go to edit this video. But they are very cute. They are, like I said, still available on that website right now, but supposedly, according to the information on there, there's a limited quantity of 200 of these dolls. Now, one of the things about these dolls that's a little tricky is their clothing and especially their shoes, because there are no other dolls, like this, right now that I know of. And so the shoes, she has a pattern, a downloadable pattern for if you have a 3D printer, you can make your own shoes. And of course the dolls both come with shoes, both different types of Rune dolls. This one comes with some high top tennis shoes. And let me take her shoes off here so you can see. Without shoes, they cannot stand unassisted. Okay, so you can see they're kind of, I wouldn't necessarily say they're high-heeled. I mean, I guess they are. They're a little bit high-heeled, but not super high-heeled feet. They're definitely not flat. And you can even see this one in particular has one leg is shorter than the other. So when you go to set them up, and they can stand unassisted, you kind of have to mess with them a little bit. Also, these dolls work very well with the Blythe stands. These little stands like this, I've used these with these dolls, and works quite well for them. So in case you don't have shoes on them for whatever reason. But she is today just wearing this little dress that I made, but I do really like the grunge outfit she came in. But she's a really cute little dolly. And I won't show you her naked, but just FYI, she does have blushing. I don't know if you can see it on her feet, a little bit on her hands there. And then we'll just say other parts of her body have blushing, okay? But she's very, very cute little doll. So let me know what you think about Little Rune in the comments down below. And what do you think about my doll a day? Little thing that I'm doing every single day for 2026. In fact, I created a playlist, by the way. So if you've missed a doll, you can go over to the playlist and see what you missed. All right, as usual, please give this a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping by to see what's in my dolly studio. And please subscribe. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.